If you're an HVAC entrepreneur looking to supercharge your business growth while tackling those tough industry hurdles, you're in the right place. Welcome to PartsHnC. In today's video, we're diving into proven strategies to expand your HVAC empire and overcome common challenges. Let's turn those obstacles into opportunities. First off, understand the HVAC landscape. It's competitive, tech-driven, and ever-changing with regulations and seasonal demands. Common obstacles, intense competition, rapid tech advancements like smart thermostats, seasonal revenue dips, skilled labor shortages, and pricing pressures. But here's how to crush them. Start by leveraging your online presence. Build a killer website with SEO, engage on social media, run targeted ads, and create content like HVAC tips to position yourself as the expert. Overcome seasonal fluctuations with off-season promotions, diversification into air quality services, and loyalty programs. Build a strong brand by delivering top-notch service, gathering positive reviews, and maintaining consistency. Adapt to regulatory changes by staying informed on energy standards and going green. It builds trust and attracts eco-conscious clients. Invest in your team with training, embrace tech for efficiency, and educate customers on maintenance to foster long-term relationships. These steps not only stabilize your income but propel your business forward in a saturated market. For a deep dive into these strategies, check out our detailed blog post at PartsHnC. It's packed with insights to craft your ultimate HVAC business plan. And if you need high-quality HVAC parts like filters, condensers, or blower wheels from top brands at competitive prices, head over to PartsHnC. We've got everything to keep your operations running smoothly. Shop today and elevate your business. And follow us on social media for more tips, industry news, and exclusive deals. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more HVAC growth hacks. Thanks for watching.